Hello everyone, myself Himani Sharma from RPIIT campus. In today's class, I discuss about my topic layout design. That is the topic of community pharmacy. A modern drugstore should fulfill all the requirements in the Schedule N and D Cosmetic Rules 1945 to start a retail drug store. A minimum 150 square meter area is required. Similarly to wholesale drug store, a minimum of the 200 square meter area is required. There are the retail drugstore design and wholesale drugstore design. Generally, the drugstores are located on the ground floor of the building, and the outer front of the drugstore should be very attractive and built with the innovative construction technique. The material used for construction drugstore front is normally glass, glazed tile, and the marbles, which is easy to clean. They are usually constructed of the cement concrete walls and the mosaic tile on the floor, and the floor of the drugstore should be smooth and washable. The internal fitting usually consists of rack for the proper storage, cupboards with the glass doors, drawer for the storing strips, shelves, and proper place for the placing refrigerator. And the furniture include a counter, working tables, wooden or steel chairs for the staff and customers. There are the good lighting system provide cheerful atmosphere for customer. It also help in identifying the medicines quickly and easily, and thus increase the efficiency of the store. And the illuminations should be steady and they should not put any strain on the eyes. Retail drugstore. There is the whole drugstore, wholesale drugstore. Next is objective of layout design to attract a large number of customers, to increase the sale of store, and also help reduce the selling expenses to a minimum, provide the customer satisfaction, have the adequate space for the reserved stock, office and a resting place for the employees, and to have the proper entrance for the coming goods, project a professional image and improve the journal appearance, and to minimize the movement of the customers within the premise of the drugstore. Next is the type of the drugstore. Based on the layout and the design, community drugstores are classified as traditional drugstores, personal service drugstores, prescription-oriented drugstore, and the pharmaceutical center, super drugstores. Traditional drugstores, this type of drugstores are designed in such a way that the whole area of the drugstore is exposed to customers. Such a design has a pleasing and professional appearance and is convenient for both worker and the customer. Second is the personal service drugstore. In this type of store, the whole area is not exposed to the customer, but the customer is required to interact with the drugstore personnel at the service counter. And during the purchasing process, the customer demand an articles and the personnel provide the articles. The design offers maximum facility and interaction between the drugstore employee and customer. The success of this type of drugstore depend upon the convenience and friendly services of the personnel service counter. Third is a prescription oriented drugstore. They provide a comfortable waiting area where the customer are expected to wait while this prescription is proceeding. In this design, health related items, drug and prescription accessories are displayed in the vicinity, while the orthopedic and the surgical appliances are kept in separate room. Cosmetic and gifts are arranged in a suitable area in the store of this type. Next is the pharmaceutical center. These type of stores sell the medicines, convenience articles, orthopedic and the surgical appliance. Super drugstore. Drugstore have the huge floor area ranging from the 5,000 to 10,000 with a square design. Their customer have access to almost all the area in the drugstore and can inspect the handle and select the article themselves. The design is on the self-service pattern except for the prescription department where self-service is not possible. Today class I discuss about the types of drugstore, objective of the layout design, layout design. Thank you for watching.